India today recorded 19,556 new COVID-19 cases, the lowest in 6 months according to data from the Union Health Ministry. According to the Union Health Ministry, the total number of coronavirus cases in the country now stands at 1.75 lakh. Out of this, 2.92 lakh are active, while over 96.36 lakh people have recovered from the disease. With 301 fatalities in the last 24 hours, the death toll reached 1,46,111. In a bid to avoid an increase in COVID-19 cases during New Year celebration, Maharashtra has announced that a 7-hour night curfew would be put in place across all cities and municipal corporation areas in the state. The curfew from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. is being imposed from Tuesday, December 22, 2020 for 15 days until January 5, 2021. Teachers of Pettigrew Junior High School, Imphal, today distributed midday meal rations to students of the school under Director of Education S. A team of BISHNUPUR District Commando and Women Police Constables seized around 27.9 kg of opium from 2 women at Ningthaukhong Bazaar last evening. The team seized the drug from a Maruti Suzuki Wagon R with 3 occupants. The seized items, along with 3 persons, were handed over to Bishnupur Police Station for further necessary action. Bharat Biotech has announced the successful recruitment of 13,000 volunteers and continued its progress towards achieving its goal of 26,000 participants for Phase 3 clinical trial across multiple sites in the country of India's first Make in India vaccine candidate, Covaxin, against the coronavirus disease COVID-19. The Phase 3 human clinical trial of Covaxin began mid-November, targeting 26,000 volunteers across the country at multiple sites. Ahead of the upcoming visit by VVIPs to Manipur, the police this morning carried out house-to-house search operation at Ningombam village. A police commando team led by additional SP operations Imphal West conducted the operation from 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. under the supervision of the district superintendent of police. No one was picked up during the operation, police said. An Imphal East police team under the supervision of the district additional superintendent of police searched houses in and around Advanced Hospital from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. today. Nearly 50 houses were searched and 100 residents were verified. No one was detained during the operation. Matai Project Moirang extended help to the family of one Lauriam Thoi Maitai of Bishnupur Ward No. 3. Matai Project member Moirang Them Rohana, Mantina Rajkumari, M. Ronaldo and others provided edible items and clothes to the poor family. Social activists as Bangkim from Napat Thongkong Market call on the Manipur government to extend help to 175 families of Borayangbi Gram Panchayat Ward No. 11, Napat Thongka, Napat Mayay Laikai, Napat Awang Laikai and Napat Mayay Lambi under Kumbi constituency affected by the 2017 flood. As winter is picking its pace, Lamding Educated Welfare Association LEWA Lamding, Thobal District distributed charcoal and charcoal heaters to the elders of Lamding, Kumantem Laikat. Makwam Student Union presented Christmas gifts to around 40 Makwam village elders. Union President Chuntang Lung Riamay and Education Secretary Pautuan Kamay distributed the items. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today Aligarh Muslim University AMU has contributed towards strengthening India's relation with other countries during the 100th year of its existence. Research done at AMU on various languages and Islamic literature has given new energy to India's cultural relations with the Islamic world, the Prime Minister said while speaking at the Varsity Centenary celebration.